I'm gonna show you guys what an accident waiting to happen looks like. And so as you can see, you've got the shaft going into the shaft tube, and there you have the packing gland. And this packing gland attaches to the tube via one of these hoses. It's a pretty common type system. But as you can see, this hose is torn up. In fact, there's even a broken hose clamp on it. But this tube is cracked all over. You can see it again there. If that tube goes, you just better hope your bilge pump can keep up with it, but it more than likely cannot. So what'll have to happen is the flange will have to be disconnected up there. It'll have to come off of the shaft, and from there the packing gland can be removed and the hose can be replaced. The boat does need to be hauled out for this job, but this is something that you want to watch out for. That tube could break, something could chafe on it, and if you're running, or it could just, start a pinhole leak and get worse. But that is an accident waiting to happen, guys. So watch your packing glands.